Hi QPC people, welcome to manual testing tutorials. So in this tutorial we are going to see about verification testing and software engineering. Verification testing, so it's an evaluation of checking the requirements, design and code to make that it meets the content is in required form. So that is the required form is in the customer perspective all these things are good or well, like that we need to check. What is verification testing? So according to the IEEE STDI 16 definition, so it is described as a test of systems to meet the requirement of the software is in the specific form, that is customer perspective. The components of verification testing involves reviews of coding, inspecting in each stages with proper parameters and analysis of specs. The advantages of verification testing involves frequency verification, testing at each stage, solving bugs immediately and effectively, and then cross-check the customer requirements is up to the specific form, that is customer perspective. And to use the verification testing, so the scenarios are the following. So during the system integration stages, during the requirements are changed by clients, during update of softwares, during acceptance testing stages, during design and design review from client, and during integration of various codes. Can we say one line slogan for verification? So it is like, are we building the product right? Static testing. So static testing is nothing but the verification testing only. We can make sure a right product or not. That is the thing. It is inspection and checkings are handled here. So verification testing is starting from the requirement specifications, design high level, design detailed level, specifications of programs, and then coding. Where verification testing evolves. So verification is in the center of the stage. So the verification will surrounded by business requirements, system design, coding. So all these four are the main components of verification. So business requirements, system design, and coding. So all these things should be verified. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Testing Labs Research.